Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to extend C drive in Windows virtual machine running on Proxmox. Select Windows machine on which you want to extend C drive. Go to hardware and search for your C drive. Select it and go to this action, resize. Now enter size in gigabytes by how much you want to extend it. So I want to add 20 gigabytes. Here you can check, size was 32 gigabytes, now is 52 gigabytes. Now connect to your Windows virtual machine. Go to Start and type disk. Open, create and format hard disk partitions. Here is our disk. As you can see, active partitions have 32 gigabytes. Unallocated is 20, which we added in Proxmox configuration. Now we want to extend the C drive by 20 gigabytes. When you right click on C drive, you can see extend volume is grayed out. That's because unallocated disk space is not right after the C drive. It's after the recovery partition. You cannot extend C drive using this management built-in tool. You need to download and install third-party tool for it. Now open link from description and download MiniTool Partition Wizard free. Open it. Select continue installing free edition. Next. Next. And install. Once you installed and open MiniTool Partition Wizard, select your C drive and right click. Select Extend, and here you can see you have 20 unallocated gigabytes. Here you can adjust by how many gigabytes you want to extend disk partition. I want to use all 20 gigabytes, so I move slider to the right side and hit OK. Now apply. Wait till operation is completed. You can close this application. And now you can see in disk management, C drive has 50 gigabytes. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.